The Grade Center allows you to create calculated columns. Click on Create Calculated Column. Under that menu, you will see the following options: Average column, Minimum Maximum column, Total column, and Weighted column. The option you pick depends on your desired goal. The average column displays the average for any number of quantities. For example, an instructor can display the average for all tests or display the average grade for each student for a grading period. Columns with text as the primary display cannot be averaged. The minimum maximum column displays either the minimum or maximum grade for a selection of columns. For example, you can find the minimum score on all tests. You can choose whether or not to show the column to students on their My Grades pages. The total points column takes the sum of all grade columns. This column is used if the grade is based on total points. For example, if you have assignments worth 500 points of the final grade, the total points column would add up the points of each assignment. The total points column is included in the template and is named Final Grade. The weighted column generates a grade based on the results of selected columns and categories and their respective percentages. The weighted column is included in the template, so all that is needed is to locate the weighted column in the Grade Center to complete necessary edits.